Hi, we some humans. Welcome back, friends at home. In this creator video, we wanted to find the value of this expression 91 divided by 1 over 52, then times 52. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 52 divided by 52, which equals 1. So here we have just 1, and 91 divided by 1 equals 91. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 91 divided by 1 over 52. To do this division, write down the 91 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 52 over 1, which gives 52. And here again we have times 52. 91 times 52 gives us 4,732. So 4,732 times 52, which equals 246,064. And so our final answer to this problem is just 246,064. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe to join the journey.